Your plant grew. Show me your plant. There it is. Wait, let me focus on that. Can you tell me the parts of the plant? What are the parts of the plant? The parts of the plant.
Parts of the plant are root, stem.
What does a root do? Show me the root. Point to it. There you go. What is that?
The root.
The root. What does the root do?
It carries the water. It sucks the water
Up to the
up to the
leaves. That comes from, right?
yes.
And then what other parts can you see?
The stem.
The stem. Point the stem to Mama. There you go. Okay. See? Are you happy it sprouted?
Yeah. Should I plant it some?
You can try it again.
Because I always put water on it. I always put water.
And what else? Where did you put it?
He put
The sun.
in the sun.
So what does a plant need for it to grow?
Sun, water, and air.
Nice.
Did you plant
Do you
them?
plan to eat them?
No,
Why not?
because we do not make food.
Of course you can eat them. They're called Mongo sprouts.